According to our Chilliz cost expectation 2023, the token is supposed to have a greatest cost of $1.05 with a base cost of 10 cents. Chilliz is supposed to arrive at the most extreme value level of 42 cents as per our Chz cost forecast 2025. Based on our Chilliz coin cost expectation 2030, the normal cost of Chz coin may be around 89 cents toward the finish of 2030. Right now, the Chilliz coin cost is exchanging around 10 cents, which is practically 4.6% down from the last week and 1% down from most recent 24 hours. Notwithstanding the negative opinion, Chilliz Crypto has figured out how to hold its cost level above $0.099 starting from the start of 2023. This mirrors the likelihood that the Chilliz coin cost might go up and could raise a ruckus around town mark by 2025. In the event that you are searching for a Chilliz estimate, our top-to-bottom examination means to respond to your inquiries like, is Chilliz worth purchasing? Might Chilliz at any point reach $10? Before we start with itemized Chilliz cost expectation, we should jump into the coin's specialized examination. Chilliz specialized examination Chilliz was sent off in August 2019 and has been hyperactive from that point forward. In January 2020, it saw the greatest cost heightening to $0.009. In any case, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to the mark of $0.004 because of the pandemic effect. The Chilliz coin cost spike that occurred in 2020 is related to the declaration made by the Chilliz venture to put $60 million in the tokenization of media, brands, and retail. During November 2020, Chilliz's cost arrived at a lower $0.010, and till January 2021, it just showed a minimal recuperation. Nonetheless, the presentation of Chilliz toward the start of 2021 has been shockingly a gift for financial backers as the value shot to a degree of $0.05353 by February 2021. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for Chz on the cost front alongside volume. Starting from the start of WAC 2021, the cost of Chilliz has reflected huge development, denoting another unsurpassed high at the $0.8915 mark. Nonetheless, from that point forward, the token confronted a slight revision, yet later, in November, it arrived at a high of 55 cents. In 2022, the Chz token cost exchanged a reach somewhere in the range of 29 cents and $0.093 with a negative strain. Be that as it may, in the wake of hitting $0.1 the last December, Chilliz has denoted a moderate recuperation, and at present, it exchanges around $0.119. From the very start of 2023, Chilliz coin cost has figured out how to remain above $0.099. As of now, it confronted areas of strength for an of $0.099, while a solid opposition of 11 cents. We demand you do your own exploration recommending projected most extreme cost, estimated value changes, and least cost according to your assumptions for Chz cost expectation. At the hour of compassing this specialized investigation in Chilliz crypto cost expectation, the cost of the Chz token was 10 cents, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of Chz is $26,652,997, and the market cap of Chilliz was $703,195,308, with a flowing stockpile of 7,647,158 Chz. Chz coin cost expectation recommends that Chilliz could convey great returns by acquiring a sought-after position among computerized coins in the following couple of years. All the more critically, despite the fact that the new exhibition of Chilliz (Chz) has not soared on the trade, ascending to magnificence, one unmistakable reality that arises here is that the cost of Chilliz is digging in for the long haul, increment, and fill in the market in full blossom, according to our Chilliz cost expectation. Chilliz value expectation 2023. As of late, Chilliz crossed the 17 cents mark in February, interestingly starting from the start of 2023. As per our Chz cost expectation for 2023, Chilliz is supposed to cross the degree of 26 cents. Before the year's over, Chilliz is anticipated to have a base value level of 10 cents. What's more, the Chz cost is equipped for having a typical value level of 18 cents. Chilliz crypto value expectation 2024 Chz forecast for 2024 predicts that the most extreme cost and least cost to be 34 cents and 24 cents, separately. The most probable Chilliz cost will be consistent at around 29 cents in view of our Chilliz crypto cost forecast. Chilliz value expectation 2025 as per Chz cost forecast 2025. In a drawn-out situation, the cost of Chilliz is set to get a move on with other digital currencies to obviously show up at least cost of 29 cents and a most extreme cost of 42 cents inside a couple of days of its entering 2025. Chz estimate depicts a stunning idealism anticipated for the Chz cost, mostly because of its predictable exhibition throughout the long term. Chilliz coin value expectation 2026, violating all restrictions more than 2026, would unquestionably give indications of fortune for its financial backers. As per our Chilliz expectation, supported by powerful brilliant agreements, the greatest value level of Chz crypto will be around 51 cents in 2026. Simultaneously, the base and normal costs are supposed to be around 35 cents and 43 cents, separately. Chilliz expectation 2027. The street ahead is brimming with pedals, according to the Chz cost gauge, gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Chilliz cost, taking it to cross all boundaries, scaling point of the most extreme cost of 62 cents. In correlation, the base and normal costs might be 43 cents and 53 cents, separately. Chz value expectation 2028 out of 2028, the Chz token will exchange at a limit of 74 cents, with a base cost of 51 cents. Simultaneously, our Chilliz cost expectation shows that the symbolic will have a typical cost of around 62 cents all year long. Chilliz conjecture 2029 thinking about there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for the digital money market. Chilliz crypto cost expectation expects the cost is good to go to insist areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. Chilliz's cost may handily cross a greatest cost of 82 cents, as indicated by our Chz coin cost forecast 2029. Chilliz value expectation 2030 in light of our Chz cost forecast 2030. The normal cost is supposed to be around 89 cents, with a likely low of 73 cents and a possible high of $1.05. The Chilliz cost changes in the crypto market are not supposed to be exceptionally unstable or have high gamble. According to the Chilliz value expectation and specialized examination, in 2023, the cost of Chilliz is supposed to reach at least value worth of 13 cents. The Chz cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of 14 cents, with the typical worth of 13 cents. The year 2023 can end with a typical cost of 13 cents and a base value worth of 12 cents. The most extreme cost is supposed to exchange around 14 cents, according to Chilliz cost forecast. As per our Chilliz cost expectation, in 2023, the cost of Chz coin is supposed to reach at the very least value level of $0.096. The Chz cost can arrive at